of the Shira Presbyterian Secondary School Boys contingent with Wanripa Khongramai as the commander, Langston Harshindi as the placard holder, and Pavnio Chimbatlang as the flag bearer. Approaching the saluting dais is the Ramakrishna Mission High Secondary School Sarak, led by Commander Sintali Mangor with placard holder Imisekal Nangrum, flag bearer Aimedaka Sindram, offering their salute to the chief guest. Approaching the saluting dais is the St. John Bosco Boys Higher Secondary School, Sarang. On arriving the saluting dais, arriving the saluting dais, they pay their respect to the chief guest on